Money is a powerful tool that can either make or break you. As a young person, you have the opportunity to shape your financial future. It is important to understand the value of financial literacy and the impact it can have on your life. By learning how to manage your money effectively, you can make informed decisions and build a strong foundation for your future. Financial education empowers you to make wise choices with your finances, whether it's saving for your goals, investing for the long term, or even starting your own business. Moreover, it helps you avoid common financial pitfalls and debt traps that can hinder your progress. As you navigate through life, having a solid understanding of how to handle money responsibly will not only provide you with peace of mind, but also open doors to opportunities that can lead you towards financial independence. Therefore, it is crucial for you as a young individual to prioritize financial education and make it an integral part of your personal development journey. By doing so, you can strive towards financial success and secure a better future for yourself. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and stay motivated.